Last episode, a slice needed two numbers, where to start and where to stop. But sometimes your piece begins at the very first guess or keeps going to the very last one. Writing the edge number every time is work Python can do for you. Leave the first number out and the slice starts at the beginning. Guests, colon, 3 means the same, first 3 guests as 0, colon, 3. The empty left side says start all the way back at 0. Leave the second number out and the slice keeps going to the end. Guest 2, colon starts at Rohan and takes everything after it. The empty right side says do not stop early. And if both sides are empty, colon by itself means the whole row. That can look pointless, but it is a real copy of a list. For now, remember the picture, an empty side reaches the edge on that side. So, leave out the left number to start at the beginning. Leave out the right number to go to the end. Let's write it. Line 1 is the same guest list. Line 2 takes the first 3 without writing 0. Line 3 takes everyone from Rohan onward without writing 4. And line 4 makes a copy with a colon on its own. Got it? The first answer is Arjun, Meera and Rohan. The second is Rohan and Kabir. The last answer looks like the original list because an empty side reaches all the way to each edge. Your turn. Type those 4 lines in any editor, save it as shortcuts.py and run it. Then change the 2 on line 3 to a 1. Watch Meera join the answer while Kabir stays there at the end. Next episode, turning text into a row and back again. Split makes the pieces. Join puts them together. See you there.